What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there, and basically how we caught the movement to the upside and gained about 24% of potential profits. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we had a very good bounce from this range of support, and I drew this line by connecting these two bottoms. And on one of my previous videos I've told you that most likely we should retest this range of support, and from this range we might have a bounce. And right here we had an opportunity to enter our long position, and the price targets that I marked in one of my videos was right here. This was the first price target at $19.82. This top of the B wave was the second one of $20.16, and this one was the third target. And as you can see, let me show it to you more thoroughly. This asset was very technical, and it is very technical basically, because it went higher. We retested, as you can see right here, we retested this range, this sloping line, this range of resistance, bounced back, retest this level of $18.79 as the range of support, went higher, and we touched for the first time our first target. Then we had a reaction, and with the second attempt we broke this range to the upside and hit our second target. And we didn't reach the third target of 20.75. We missed it by about 15 cents. And definitely, it is, in my opinion, it is a very good accuracy. And definitely from this range we should go lower, because we completed the entire structure and we hit 2 out of 3 our targets. And this means we should wait for a while for the next potential entry point. And it happened. We went lower, and for now, as you can see, we have this movement to the upside. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you the official Lucid Motors Twitter account. And right here you can see several tweets, several recent tweets, but I want to pay your attention on just this one. They started again the next episode of the Tech Talks, and it is extremely interesting videos. And because of this, you can know even more about Lucid, and definitely for some of Lucid fans, it might be very interesting videos, and it might be very interesting episode. So let's continue with the Lucid Insider Twitter account. And right here we have more fundamental news. And basically, let me show you this one. One of the interesting part and one of the interesting articles is right here. Does this number on the wrapped Lucid Air on a trailer represent sequential production numbers? I doubt it, but the number is close. And let me show you this article in details. So, as you can see, here's the photo of the wrapped Lucid Air, and right here you can see the number 2257. Probably it might be the sequential number of their vehicles delivered or produced, but probably it is not the case. Let me quote you some details from this article. In a recent video, one savvy Twitter user spotted a number on one of the wrapped Lucid Airs. The number, as you can see in the screenshot below, reads 2257. The question some are asking is, does this number represent any sequential production number from the factor? Is this the 2257th Air that Lucid Motors produced? And definitely nobody really knows about that. But the author of this article has a lot of doubts. And let me quote you this. They did label all the Dream Edition because those were limited to 520 run, and putting a number on those EV makes them more valuable. but the Grand Touring and other trims are not being given unique production numbers on the car. And definitely, if Lucid is at 2,257 EVs delivered, that would shock most of Lucid fans, because most of them believe that they are below that number. And you can find this link why a lot of fans think that Lucid produced less than 2,200 vehicles. And it was a poll on a Twitter, and it was only 132 answers from Lucid fans. And definitely it is not the real numbers, it is not even close to official numbers. It is just an assumption how many vehicles might be delivered from the Lucid owners or Lucid fans standpoint. And definitely it is not more than 2,100 vehicles. And I think this number might be close to the real number, but it is not the case. Definitely we cannot count on this number as the real number of vehicles delivered. That's why we have to be cautious, because on my previous video I've told you about some issues in their deliveries, and probably in the next earnings report they will reduce the overall target for vehicles that should be delivered. And that's why, in my opinion, we have to be very cautious with our medium-term long position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect from the price action? As you can see, we went higher, we broke several resistances, and we almost reached the previous swing high, and definitely we didn't break it, and this means we formed only higher lows on the price action, but we didn't form higher highs. And this means we are still in consolidation phase, and we have a major crucial point right now at this very range. It is at $20.75. If this asset in upcoming sessions will break this range of resistance, probably retest it from the top, and with the conviction of volume will hit higher targets, definitely it will imply that probably these two bottoms are the real bottoms for this price action, and we might see only movement to the upside. But otherwise, if from this range we will go lower, and as you can see we pretty much retested this sloping line as the resistance, and if we will break first range of support, second range of support, and probably this sloping line, definitely it will be a bearish sign, because with the weakness of this price action we might see the breakout below previous swing lows, and the crucial point that will confirm basically the medium-term movement to the downside will be this point at $16.4. If it breaks this swing low, the previous major swing low, this will indicate that this asset is quite bearish, and we might see much longer consolidation phase in the ranges probably below $16.5. That's why you have to be cautious. But all in all, definitely for now Lucid shows some signs of its strength, because as you can see this huge green volume shows that at this very point, when it broke the range of resistance of $19.82, a lot of stocks were bought, and some of maybe institutional investors entered their long position because they believe that this asset will go higher, and definitely this retracement is nothing else but a consolidation phase right before the next major movement to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God